Kalimera. My name is Andrew Tsakos, and this recipe, as well as my family, come from a very small Greek island in the Ionian Sea called Marathias. I love going there. It's beautiful and the food is always amazing. In fact, the first day that I went, my great uncle said, "Andrew, you can eat everything here, even the rocks. We just boil them in olive oil." Good thing for you today, I'm not making rocks, I am instead making souvlaki. Souvlaki simply means grilled meat on a skewer. Today I'm using pork tenderloin that I've cut into bite-sized pieces. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a marinade. And to that, I'm going to take 10 cloves of garlic, peeled. Now I know what you're thinking. You're saying, "Andrew, that's an insane amount of garlic." But you know what? Trust me. And here's the family secret. Add 2 more. I'm going to add our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. And we're going to whirl that all together. Okay, here's another family trick. Take a fresh lemon and zest the lemon right into the bowl. What this does is this releases the essential oils. With the addition of the white wine and the lemon juice, this will help tenderize the pork. Now what we're going to do is we're going to coat the pork, we're going to cover it, and we're going to let it marinate overnight. Here are some that I've already marinated and put onto skewers. I like to use these metal skewers that are flat. They help keep the meat from spinning around on the grill. Speaking of the grill, let's go outside. Place the skewers on a hot grill that's been cleaned and well oiled. You want that marinade to caramelize onto the meat. Turn and cook another 3 or 4 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. Yamas, cheers, and thank you for letting me share my Greek heritage recipe with you today.
Looks amazing, Andrew.